Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you this breakout from the falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. You can see that BitTorrent has finally broken out this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, it was also trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 73 cents and goes to 77 cents. Previously, not 73 to 77 cents, from point double zero, double zero, and zero, five times zero, six times zero, in fact. $73 to six times zero, $77. And here we had a long spike, but the price line could not break it out. And now recently we have broken out. And after the breakout, the price line is getting accumulated above this support zone. And if you take a look at the previous history of this support and resistance zone from 73 to 77, then you can see that previously for several weeks it had been breaking as a resistance here. Before that, it was breaking as support here, support here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it was also breaking as support zone here, resistance on here, and support on here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support on for the price line of BitTorrent. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share this previous very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Shell, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 20th of April 2025, and here you can also watch the complete trade setup: buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and it rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And here we have the daily time frame. And you can see that previously, since after the month of November, since after 20th of November 2024, it had been moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, so many rejections here. And we had another bounce here, almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, and finally the price. And after this rejection that was happening here on 14th of April 2025, finally the price and has broken out the resistance. And for the past few days, it was also struggling to break out this resistance zone. That's out from point double zero, double zero, and double zero, six times zero, $73 and goes to 77. And now this resistance line is flipped into a support line, and you can see that the price line is getting accumulated above this support before the next move to the upside. Now the next upcoming resistance will be here. That is another very long-term resistance line that starts from 108 and goes to 115 point double zero, double zero, and zero, five times zero, $115. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance from 108 to 115 has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance line here, support line here, and also breaking at the resistance line here in the month of July 2022. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. Now, if you take a look at the final target for the breakout from this wedge, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 167. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge wedge, you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.